Oh my God, it's so juicy.
Yo, it's Robacus.
Do the holiday seasons got you down? Do you want to feel better about this holiday? Do something with your loved ones? How about make some holiday cookies? Follow this recipe to make the most delicious shortbread cookies you've ever had in your life. First, you're going to need 2 cups of butter softened, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extracts, and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now what you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Cream, soften butter, and sugar together until it's light and fluffy. Stir in the vanilla, add some flour, and mix well until it's combined. Fill a cookie press with the dough and form cookies onto 2 ungreased cookie sheets, spacing them about 1.5 inches apart. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges of the cookies are just starting to turn golden brown. Then remove them from the sheets. Look at that. Look good already. Set them on a wire cooling rack for about 2 minutes and then transfer the cookies to the rack and then you're pretty much done. If you want to make it look really festive and holiday-like, you can put some icing on it and even some sprinkles. If you want it to look authentic, go get some of those powdered sprinkles. You know, the ones that they put on the actual cookies that you can buy in the boxes. Or you know what? If you don't want to have to worry about it, just go buy a box of cookies. Maybe you'll feel better. Grab some milk and have a good holiday by yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Shout out to the Netflix and Cuss Views. And I'll see you in the next one.